So this is the Razer Black Widow, the orange box switch. So it comes with a pad and the keyboard. Let's check it out. So it says go that way, but I'm gonna cut it this way. Right. Let's see. It gives you the specs of the other ones back here, but I got 4 or 5 grams orange because I like orange. Cool. Comes with the let me get these out. It's pretty well protected. Hold on. This is unboxing. So this is the pad. These two are the, and there's a cover. Comes with a manual, but I'm not gonna use it. I don't care. So it's like this. Covers off. It's magnetic. It's magnetic. And it's not as nice as the Ornata, but it's magnetic. Can I go this way? Nope, it's magnetic. And it's one of these guys. So, looks like this. Has these dials. It has, let me see this, it has these ports, it has a USB port, and it has an audio jack. So it does 2 USB ports and 1 audio jack. Will I be using an audio jack? I guess, but I don't have headphones. Alright, let's do a quick sound test. The lights off. Enter. Oh wait, this is not the correct one. Oops. Here's the correct one. I was like wondering why it's not fitting. That was my Ornata. Oh, my bad. Now it's nice and snug. Oh, now it's nice. Now it's really nice. It's nice and smooth. Nice and comfortable. The cushion is really comfortable. It's really comfortable. Oh, it feels so good. So comfortable. So comfortable. Alright. Let's do the lights test. There's spectrum. So cycles through the lights. There's quick effect. Let me turn on the lights. Quick effect. Ambient aware. Audio meter. Let me see. Audio meter. I'm gonna edit this out. So you change colors in the audio. And then there's breathing. There's fire. I gotta admit the Ornata's prettier. Let's get dim. No, it needs more light. So it's fire. I just turn this all off and then that's what it looks like. Fire. Reactive. I don't like that one. Reactive. Ripple. Ripple, I like. Whoa. Ripple, I like. Spectrum. Starlight. What else? Static is this one color. Wave. It's just Rainbow Road. Color wheel. Pastels again. So it's very similar to Ornata's. Do some more ASMR. Alright, let's put the lights back on. Let's do some typing. And we're going to create my own color. Just go Chroma Studio. The Ripple. Now turns off. Reactive. Fire. This is mine. Ripple. It's fine. And then fire. Blue with red. Save. It's not that nice. Let's do light and blue. Yeah, this is my settings. Start typing. I still think the Ornata is way prettier in design because it's more white. Does that much move? Spacebar some more. I like this part. It's really cool. This part. If I can show you. He's really cool.